Welcome back to the channel, adventurers. Today we're taking an exclusive first look at something truly revolutionary in the world of compact camping, the 2026 camper. Forget everything you thought you knew about tiny homes on wheels, because this beauty is about to redefine your idea of minimalist luxury and ultimate freedom. This is the future of personal exploration. Imagine hitting the open road with all the comforts of home, perfectly packed into a vehicle that's as charming as it is capable. This isn't just a camper, it's a statement. A statement that you value thoughtful design, sustainable travel, and unforgettable experiences. The sleek aerodynamic form factor ensures easy towing and excellent efficiency on any journey. From its exterior to its surprisingly spacious and intelligently designed interior, every inch of the 2026 camper has been meticulously crafted. You'll be amazed at how much functionality and comfort have been integrated into such a compact footprint, making it ideal for both seasoned road trippers and those new to the camper lifestyle. The dark accents on the wheels and chassis provide a stylish contrast to the light gray shell. Let's step inside and talk about that interior. Despite its size, it feels incredibly open and inviting. The clever use of light wood finishes and ample windows creates a bright and airy atmosphere. You'll find a surprisingly comfortable sleeping area that transforms effortlessly from a daytime lounge, along with smart modular storage solutions that keep everything tidy and within reach. This space is designed for living, not just sleeping. The kitchen, though compact, is fully functional, allowing you to prepare delicious meals wherever your wanderlust takes you. It features a sturdy countertop, clever cabinet space, and all the essential utilities. And yes, it even boasts a cleverly integrated bathroom solution, ensuring you have all the necessities for off-grid living or quick stopovers at your favorite campsites. This camper truly anticipates your every need. What makes this camper stand out even more is its incredible maneuverability and fuel efficiency. You won't be limited by winding roads or tight parking spots, opening up a whole new world of destinations that might be inaccessible to larger RVs. It's the perfect companion for solo travelers, couples, or small families, looking to create lasting memories without compromising on quality or style. We've only scratched the surface of what the 2026 camper has to offer, and believe me, seeing is believing. If you're ready to embrace the future of adventure, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting reveals, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. And tell us in the comments below, where would you take the 2026 camper first? We can't wait to hear your adventure plans.